Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Shaper HelixUltimate template from JoomShaper. First thing you need to do is to go to JoomShaper.com and download the template. It's free of charge. Once the template is downloaded, then you need to go to your backend Joomla administrative area, then click on Extension, Manage, and Install. You want to select the template package. Once it's installed, then you just need to go to Extension and then Template to make it a default template by putting the stars under default. Now we are going to customize and configure the template by clicking on the Shaper HelixUltimate. Then you want to click on Template option. For the most part that you really need to configure is only the basic option. Click on Basic, and you can change your logo right here by selecting the media, and you can display the logo height. You can specify it here. You can also have a different logo for your mobile device, so it will be lighter on your mobile device. If you click on Header, you can change your fave icon by selecting the media here, and you can also change your website from a full screen mode onto the box layout or having a preloaders. You can also change your footers. What I normally do, I change it to year. That way it will auto update the year automatically. Then you can add your social icon, which will display on the upper left corner. Anything that you don't want to display, simply just delete them and it will not be there. Once you're done that, then you need to fill in your contact information, which will display up here on the upper right hand corner with all your phone number, your mobile phone, your contact emails, and your opening hours. After you finish all that, simply click on Save. Then hit the X in the upper blue area. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.